Hello everybody, Keith here again. I'm going to do a non-orchid related video today. See if we can get this to focus. It's been playing up for me. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to do a non-orchid potting up video today. As you've seen from one of my recent videos, we went to the RHS Chelsea Flower Show a few days ago, and I bought, apart from an orchid, I bought this, which is an amaryllis or hippeastrum as it's more properly known, bulb. Now I've kept a couple for a number of years. They're just nondescript ones. They've done okay, not fantastically well, but they've done okay, and they flower every year, although I don't try and force them into flower at Christmas. I let them do their own thing, and they normally flower around March or Easter. But this, as you can see against my hand, is a monster of a bulb. I've measured it and it's 150mm or 6 inches in diameter, and as you will have seen from that little leaflet which I've included in the video here, or how you will see it from the video I'm going to include here, you're supposed to use a pot that is about an inch bigger than the bulb all the way around. So this is an 8-inch pot, and it's got to go in something like that, and it's supposed to be a mixture of multi-purpose compost, or as I've used, John Innes number 2, mixed with potting grit to improve the drainage. I've got crocks in the bottom of here. I've mixed this John Innes number 2, roughly speaking 50-50, with potting grit. Now let's put some of that in here. I think I've got about enough. I enjoy baking, just one of those sort of so what, who cares comments that I might make, but basically I do enjoy baking. I have done since I was a very small boy, and I was at least nominally helping my mother or my gran to do some cake. How much I helped and how much I hindered, I don't know. Now, what I've done with this, which is recommended in one of the videos, was to soak the roots and the base of the plant in water. At this point, when it's more or less dormant, you don't need a lot of water for these. But you do need to wake the roots up. It gives them a kickstart, and I can see there are quite a lot of viable roots in there. So it's going to be a similar job, I guess, to trying to pot the roots in an orchid, to try and work the compost down around the roots, which I can't really show because everything I'm handling is just too big and heavy and awkward, I'm afraid. You are supposed to leave most of the bulb exposed. Yeah, I can make some more of this up. Not quite enough, but it won't be too far off. So yeah, I've got to end up with this embedded in the compost. It's nicely firmed in. I won't actually get away with it looking at the way this is going. I don't want to put too much in because there are two offsets sprouting off the base of this bulb. So there's a pretty fair chance that this is going to going to have things coming through, and I don't want to risk those rotting because they're too deep. So I think I'm going to top dress it with grit rather than more of the potting of the compost. It's pretty secure in there. But I think with a bit of it I can work its way down into the compost as I water it and make things better than they are already. So that is my first named amaryllis instead of no ID. This one is Luna. It's a mostly white plant. The illustration is there, and I suspect with a bulb that size it's going to produce quite a lot of spikes and be quite a sight in a few weeks' time, hopefully. So, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed something that's a little bit different to the usual from me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.